In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to land an Airbnb apartment. To get started, open the Airbnb app or go to the Airbnb website, then sign into your account. Once you're in, enter your destination, your travel dates, and the number of guests staying with you. After that, tap or click search to see what's available. Now that the results are on screen, use the filters to narrow things down and find apartments that actually fit your trip. A helpful place to start is selecting entire place if you want a private apartment rather than a shared space. You can also set your budget, choose the amenities you want, and pick the property type that makes the most sense for your stay. Taking a minute with filters can save you a lot of time and help you avoid listings that don't match your needs. Next, browse through the available apartments and compare your options carefully. Look at the price, the location, the amenities included, and the guest ratings. This is where you can start deciding which places feel like the best value, not just the lowest price. Once a listing catches your eye, open it and read the description carefully. Pay close attention to the house rules and the cancellation policy. These details are important because they tell you what's allowed during your stay and what happens if your plans change. After that, check the most recent guest reviews. Reviews can give you a clearer picture of what the stay is really like, especially when it comes to cleanliness, how accurate the listing is, and how responsive the host is. Recent reviews are especially useful because they reflect the current condition of the property. If there's anything you're unsure about, contact the host before booking. This is the best time to ask questions about the apartment or anything related to your stay so you can book with confidence. When you're ready, select the apartment you'd like to reserve and review the total price carefully, including any fees and taxes. Make sure you're comfortable with the full amount before moving forward. Then complete your booking request or use Instant Book if that option is available. If the listing requires host approval, you'll need to wait for the host confirmation. Once it's confirmed, go to the trip section and review your reservation details so you know everything is set for your stay. And that's how to land an Airbnb apartment quickly and confidently.